Welcome to Auto Vibe. Today we are taking a closer look at the Brabus G800 SUV, a true symbol of luxury and power wrapped in a bold design. Standing in front of this beast, the first impression is pure dominance. The front fascia grabs attention immediately with its aggressive grille bearing the Brabus signature badge, flanked by high-intensity LED headlamps that shine like precision-cut diamonds. The sculpted hood lines add a muscular stance while the carbon fiber elements create a sporty yet elegant vibe. The front bumper, redesigned with larger air intakes, not only enhances the aesthetics but also improves cooling efficiency for the monstrous engine hidden inside. As you step around to the back, the story of power continues. The rear of the Brabus G800 is bold and commanding, featuring a reworked bumper, twin tailpipes finished in glossy black chrome, and a spare wheel cover that carries the unmistakable Brabus branding. Sleek LED taillights complete the modern touch, while the high ground clearance and wide stance remind you this is not just a luxury SUV but also a machine built for rugged dominance. Moving to the right side, the SUV showcases its striking profile. Massive forged alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires dominate the look, while the extended wheel arches and carbon fiber side mirrors highlight the sporty yet luxurious identity of this vehicle. The upright body lines give it that classic G-Wagon heritage, while Brabus tuning elevates it into a league of its own. The door handles, running boards, and subtle chrome touches further enhance the elegance of the overall design. Opening the doors and stepping inside, the cabin feels like entering a world of opulence and advanced technology. The dashboard is a blend of fine leather, carbon fiber, and state-of-the-art digital displays. Every surface is hand-stitched with precision, featuring contrasting accents that make the cockpit feel special. The steering wheel, ergonomically designed and wrapped in premium leather, offers a firm grip and an exclusive driving feel. The front seats are nothing short of royal treatment, designed with diamond-quilted leather, heated and ventilated functions, and full electronic adjustability. Sitting here feels both sporty and supremely comfortable, with excellent visibility and a commanding driving position. Moving to the back seats, luxury continues with the same diamond-stitched leather upholstery, ample legroom, and comfort-focused amenities. Passengers enjoy individual climate controls, ambient lighting, and entertainment screens, making every ride feel like a first-class journey. Finally, we lift the hood to reveal the true heart of the Brabus G800. The engine room is home to a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, upgraded by Brabus to unleash an astonishing 800 horsepower. Every detail under the hood reflects precision engineering and sheer performance, ensuring this SUV doesn't just look powerful but truly delivers on the road. The Brabus G800